Here I said.
Watch, I'm recording it.
Check one.
Check!
Marcus, you gonna do it? Yeah. Take a video.
Deep in thought. Do you want to go after me, Marcus? I'll go after. I'm gonna go after Mr. McLean. And you go after me, Marcus. You can follow me. You're going to have to say with Mr. Zaley. Mr. Zaley?
Yes.
Urshie's going to be your friend.
Okay.
Hold on tight, too. You're going to hang out with Mr. Zaley. You know who that is? Yeah.
Marcus, look. Wait. There you go.
I went because I'm so heavy, Chris. I almost went all the way up to the other tree.
I know. I saw it.
I don't think that'll happen.
I got him.
I'm making a video.
Dustin, what do we think, buddy? Up or down? Pick the ladder.
You can do it, but you don't have to do it.
Yep. It's decision time, though. We got to do one or the other. So, what do you think, bud?
I'm almost ready, Marcus.
All you do is step around the tree, just like a roller coaster ride. You can safer than a roller coaster.
You ain't kidding. It's more controlled. You know when it's going in the different directions.
You want to do the ladder? Not a problem, bud. Not a problem.
All right, you tried, buddy. That's all.
Yeah, man.
That's right.
You went up to 25 feet above the ground.
That's right.
So we check. See him over? Check. Belay back. You gonna do it?
Which ladder are you going to climb?
Do it.
Do it.
You gonna do the surf ride, Marcus? Good man. Good man. Let me get Dustin down. I'll send you out.